How to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. To do that, you need to firstly install the latest version of Messenger in your phone by going through Google Play Store. If you have already installed it, then make sure to update it. Yes, and after you do that, just normally open the Messenger. And if you want to see anybody's message but without letting them know that you have seen it, then what you can do is choose the person message that you want to see. For example, if I want to see this message, then firstly what I would do is click on the restrict option. And now the person will not be seen in my front screen. Where will it be seen is in this screen on the left top side. There is 3 vertical lines given. When I tap on it and again tap on the gear button, many options will be shown to me. Here I will choose on the privacy option and now click on the restricted accounts. So the account that I've just restricted is here. And now I can see the message of this account. But the person will not know if I have seen the message or not. Also, this helps you that the person will not know when you are active and when you are not active. And they will also not see if you have seen their messages. If you want to see their messages again, then you can just unrestrict them and go on your front screen. You will find the person account on your front screen right here. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.